So let's talk about how you can use the offline maps inside of the Google Maps on Android. Let's get started. So just locate the Google Maps application and get inside right there. And you can see where you happen to be at the moment. Obviously, if you have the connection or location enabled, but I want you to just click on your profile picture right there. And there is the ability to click on offline maps. So it is like the cloud icon with the strike through in it. So just click on this and you can select your own map. You can see my home map has already expired. So that's a good thing because updates like Go or, the maps need to be updated a lot of times throughout the year. So it cannot be saved forever. But essentially select your own map, zoom out or select the area which you want to download for the offline use, right? You can usually fit in like an entire city. Like you can zoom it out a bit more, but obviously it cannot be like the whole world. So usually you'll be able to fit something like that right here. You can click on and download and it will be downloaded for the offline use later. Now, this will not save everything like, I don't know, reviews for your restaurants or some stuff like that. But the obviously streets and the stores should be visible on the offline map. So right now, if you don't have the internet connection anymore, you can just browse the offline map like that and essentially zoom in, move around it, and use it almost as if it were online map. So let me know below in the comments if we managed to make it work. Thanks a lot. Subscribe for the next tutorials like this one, and I'll catch you later.